Here's an air conditioner. I don't know if I'm even allowed to be here. It's like some kind of Rheem. It's a Rheem value series, I think. Why am I zoomed in? There. It's a Rheem. It's from 2012. It's a 4-ton. It's for this place. The compressor is a Copeland scroll. Fan blades are moving. The wind is blowing the blades. This is a heat pump. There's the reversing valve and stuff. This is a heat pump. It has a ProTech fan motor. 2012 4-ton Rheem air conditioner. Look, this is a heat pump. See the reversing valve and stuff. Fan blades are being blown by the wind. There's the very old disconnect. Has not been running. This place is closed anyway, so I can understand why it's not been running. I don't know if I got the reversing. Let's see. There, if you can see that, that's a heat pump. That's a heat pump. 2012 4-ton Rheem heat pump. Hope you enjoy.